Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cosmetic Line. First of all, I want to tell you that on this channel we discuss about the cosmetic science and technology, recent trends, research and development going on, new patents, skin sciences, herbal products, color cosmetics, cosmetic market analysis, formulation aspects, novel ingredients, cosmetic microbiology, and various such cosmeceutical aspects. And if you like our initiative, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and for more such informative videos, share with your friends and family. According to a study published in Cosmetic Journal commissioned by Quintus Sandalwood, researchers found that Indian sandalwood oil may be a more potent antioxidant than lipophilic antioxidant known as vitamin E, that is alpha tocopherol. Now let's study this in detail. In this discussion, we are going to see introduction, what is sandalwood oil, its major constituents and application. Later, we will see what researchers have found and then we will conclude this topic. Let's see now. Essential oils and plant parts containing essential oils have long been valued for their ability to have a positive effect on human health. Now, what is essential oil? An essential oil is a concentrated hydrophobic liquid containing volatile oil that are easily evaporated at normal temperatures. Chemical compounds from plants. Essential oils are also known as volatile oils, ethereal oils, etherealium, or simply as the oil of plant from which they are extracted, such as oil of clove. Essential oils are broadly classified as terpenes, and their monooxygenated analogues are classified as terpenols. These molecules are produced by many plants in nature, with two main types of terpenes being found: monoterpenes, molecules with C10 carbon frame, and sesquiterpenes with C15 carbon frame. Indian sandalwood oil is the essential oil obtained by steam distillation of the aromatic hardwood of Santalum album, consisting predominantly of sesquiterpenes. The oil is renowned for its olfactory characteristics, having a soft, warm, and woody odor. As a result of this odor, the oil has found its way into many applications such as perfumery, attars, and incense. The major constituents in sandalwood oil are a group of isomers known as santalol, that is alpha-santalol, beta-santalol, trans-alpha bergamot, and AP-beta-santalone. The analysis of constituents can be undertaken by gas chromatography with flame ionization detection (GCFID) as a routine analysis. We can see the table of major constituents details from the Indian sandalwood oil sample. Researchers found that Indian sandalwood oil may be a more potent antioxidant than lipophilic antioxidant, that is vitamin A, also known as alpha tocopherol. The cellular study found that the exposure to environmental stresses, Indian sandalwood oil recorded a reactive oxygen species reduction of 30 to 40% higher than the recorded reduction from vitamin E. Now, what is ROS? That is reactive oxygen species, occurs due to air pollutants such as gases like oxygen, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and soil salinity. Heavy metals, biotic stress such as pest and disease also occurs due to high light intensity and high temperatures. Can also be occurred through drought. In addition, the oil is capable of significantly decrease the damage to the collagen in skin tissues caused by stressors such as blue light from solar and digital sources and pollution from cigarette smoke. These findings indicate that Indian sandalwood oil could serve as a protective and anti-aging active ingredient in cosmetics and skincare through a range of applications. In the study, when isolated skin tissues are exposed to stimulated environmental pollution including cigarette and ozone, the enzyme MMP1, which digests the collagen tissue, are increased, is explained by Danushka HRG, which is a PhD in product manager for Quintus Sandalwood. However, when the skin isolate were treated with sandalwood oil, the enzyme MMP1 was decreased, suggesting the collagen protective effect of Indian sandalwood reduces the appearance of wrinkles. What is MMP1? It is a matrix metalloproteinase 1. It is a kind of enzyme. Skin cells are also exposed to a source of solar blue light and digital blue light, and those cells produce reactive oxygen species which begin a cascade of reaction detrimental to healthy skin. However, when the cell cultures were treated with sandalwood oil, the production of reactive oxygen species reduced to up to 76%. While sandalwood oil has demonstrated other beneficial effects, including anti-inflammatory, anti-tyrosinase, and antimicrobial activities. This research proves that the power of Indian sandalwood oil in protecting the skin against environmental damage and the multi-purpose nature of this ingredient in cosmetics. So, understand this new research-based analysis and comment down below if you want to discuss any other topic. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.